Good morning, guys. How are you today? Another day of another vlog tayo. So, ang ingay ng aking yung kainitan ng tubig. Alis ko lang tong mga sili ni Eric. Nagawa siya kasi ng chili oil para sa kapatid niya, dadalhin sa ang tawag doon, sa Red Deer kasi mag-aaral. So mamaya gagawa siya. And it's 9:15 in the morning. Kanina pa akong gising mga 7:30 kasi ubo ako ng ubo. Alam mo yung parang malamig na kasi dito. Di naman yung ganong kalamig, pero malamig na siya. Nadadry na yung aking throat. Dry na yung aking throat. So, inuubo-ubo ako. Kahit si Eric din. Siguro kailangan na natin bumili or maglagay ng humidifier. Wait lang, mag-washroom lang ako. Naiiyak ako. Rice and soup. Okay? Wala tayong Nutella, guys. Yeah, di. Oh, Daddy, buy.
Yeah, I want it.
What do you want? Nutella and?
Bread and bread and iced tea.
I'm back, guys. Iba na gamit ko. Kasi nung nag-washroom ako, pinatay ko. Tapos, nakita ko, meron na tayong monthly period. May bisita tayo. Kaya ako yung naghilamos na, nagbihis na. And plano ko din magpunta ng nail salon sa aking nails. Kasi, yung aking nails ay so, ano tawag doon yung meron siyang tip na kulay blue. Tapos, nag-crack siyang ganon. Ginupit ko na lahat. Tapos, trying to take it out na. Kaso, naalisin. Madikit siya. So, kailangan ko magpunta doon. Sa salon. Pero tatawag pa lang ako kung pwede ako mag-walk-in. Open pa nun ay alas 10. Then, later, pupunta kami sa baby shower nung pinsan ni Eric. Mamaya pa yun, mga 4 PM. And, ibabalot ko muna yung aking regalo na basurahan.
Bread and iced tea.
No, iced tea in the morning, Dion. You're too early for iced tea. Just water. Ay.
And Mommy, I'm living like this. Right there.
Yeah. So, basurahan na Jeannie.
Mommy, I'm peeing.
Yung aking...
Mommy, I'm peeing anyway.
Yun ang aking regalo. Go. Yung ano ba, yung may ilalagyan mo ng plastic. So, sila na yung bibili. Bahala na sila dun. Kaya, so, yung baby shower is only, gender reveal pala, hindi baby shower. Gender reveal is for family only. And then, baka i-reveal nila sa baby shower ng mga friendship nila or basta ganun ang mangyayari. Yan. So,
Mommy,
later is family lang.
Mommy.
What? Then,
Last time, Michael was over there.
yeah. Mag-ready lang. Bibigyan ko na si Dio ng...
That's it.
You need fruits. Fruits on your body. I will put a little. So, breakfast ni Dion.
Mommy.
What? Parang... Diyan lang tayo sa King Nails. So, malapit lang. So, bahay na tayo. Saglit lang ako. Mga 30 minutes lang. Ano pa lang. Dumating ako doon before 10:20. Tas busy na sila. And then, naisa lang naman ako agad. Then, yun. Dito tayo. Dadryer ko lang tong aking mga aming damit ni Eric. Kasi wala akong uniform. Naubos na yung 4. So, kailangan mag-laundry. So, ito yung aking nails. Ayan, brown. Brown. Anyway, nakikita niyo ba? Basta. Brown lang siya. Parang pinapalitan ko lang yung aking kuko. Hindi ko na pinalinis kasi nga medyo numinipis na yung mga manipis yung nandito ko, yung cuticle ko. Wala na siyang tatanggalin. So, in case may matigas na dito sa side, ito ba tawag doon, is ako na lang magtanggal. May nipper naman ako dito. So, yung brown. Sabi ko, is black. Kasi gusto ko ng black. Ba't ba nauwi ako sa brown? Pag nandun ka na, nagbabago na isip eh. But anyway, next time na yung black. Ay. Tutuupiin ko na rin ito agad kasi mamaya nga aalis kami. Kaya, and then, maglilinis ako sa taas.
Can I go to Caleb's house?
No? Tulog pa si Caleb.
No, Caleb is my friend.
Yeah, but she's sleeping pa.
No, when he wakes up.
Nope.
No, he can't wake up.
No, he's not yet awake.
No, he's gonna wake up.
No, later, okay? And then we will go to Mama Dig's house.
Ma, and come back to the house and I can play with Caleb. Ma, where's Daddy?
Wake him up. Come on. Sabi mo, gising na.
Ma!
Sabi mo, itanghali na. Yeah.
Ma, I'm sick.
Are you sick?
Yep.
Why are you sick?
Because I went outside.
Put your common there. Common bag. Dun sa may elastic fan.
No, I want to put it here.
Okay, you put it there. Do it tomorrow.
Me?
What?
Do you want to bring this to
That's
your work?
mine.
Do you want to bring it to the? Do you want to bring it to your work?
Nope. Yeah. I did.
God.
What he forgot?
79, 72. Mommy, look.
What's the number? You read the number.
Mommy, look. I can't read it.
Read it. You can.
No. I'm gonna read it. I can't read it.
You can read it.
But I put it there.
This.
Sing with me. Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away.
No toys. So, ayun guys, nakapag-linis na tayo.
What's in there?
Ayan, nakapag-vacuum map, punas, and everything.
Wait.
Ayan na, nawala yung mga marks ng konti. Pero nawala din naman talaga yung mga alikabok. Ayan, inilipat ko lang itong ano dito, halaman. Buta hindi pa namamatay ang aking halaman. Huwag kang mamatay. Uy. Sayang ang $12 ko sa IKEA. Ito yung binigay sa akin ng kaibigan ko na snake plant. Yan. So yan lang, nilagay ko doon.
Mama, can I go outside with Daddy? Where is he?
Oh, we went to the store.
Can I?
Tapos ito, ayan, binakuan ko lang yan. So,
Mommy, can I come with him?
so, plano kong mag-decorate ng fall pero parang wag na kasi saglit lang naman yun. So, antayin ko na ang Christmas. What?
Can I come with him?
No, just puntahan mo na lang si Daddy doon. Just wait for him outside. Then, ito medyo namamatay na. Ilalagay ulit natin sa tubig to. Tatanggalin na natin dito sa lupa. Baka mamatay na siya eh. So, ayan. Then, pinaakyat ko yung bin ni Dion doon ng toy sa room niya. And then, pinababa ko na tong upuan. Kasi, so, pag may pasukan na, dito na lang ilalagay yung mga bag nila. Or bag namin, o gano'n. So, para hindi ko na, para isang side na lang. So, dito siya. Yan. Parang, mud room, na walang room. Ayan. So, pinapabanguhan ko yung bahay. Nilagyan ko ng diffuser, but, magagawa pala si Eric ng ganito. Chili, babaho din. But anyway, kahit sanglit, bumango ang ating house. So, yan. Ayun na si Dayan sa labas. Ayun na siya. Oh, what happened? What? Nadapa na naman. What did you do? What happened? Are you good? Ba't kasi may dala ka pang toys? Come, don't bring your toys. Come here. Dito tayo sa labas. Aray ko. Kaya tayong nachos. With guacamole. Baka sira na to. Sour cream. Then cheese. Init ko lang yung cheese. Parang nag-melt yung cheese. Ang nagkatubig dati. Big-chilling ka dyan. Come here, it's not close. It's not raining. You want to eat? Come.
No.
Why no? Malamig dito sa likod din pag umaga. Ay, alas 12 na pala.
Look, Frank, this is zombie toys.
Mas masarap pa to dun sa ito ang nachos ng sinihan.
Daddy, look, the robot spider.
Dito,
The
nagpabili ko kay Eric ng isang gabi.
Mommy, the zombie spider.
Yeah.
I found it.
Kaysa dun sa pinuntahan naming
The house.
restaurant. $7 lang to with 3 dippings.
Like Band-Aid.
Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit. I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet. Being to myself and sit in silence. Until I got a call, my friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark, with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh. Oh, whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. Oh, whoa, oh, oh. Oh, whoa, oh, oh.
Ating regalo. Ready na. So, tayo ay nakagayak na.
Mommy, can I get my
Kasi po na tayo sa baby gender reveal. Ano na?
Can I bring this?
4:40 na ng hapon.
Can I bring this?
No, don't bring anything.
Mommy, can I?
What?
Mommy, they said bring
So-
robots.
Nope. Team blue kami. Just iPad. Bring the iPad. Blue ako.
Wait,
I want baby boy.
Mommy,
Baby boy. My baby boy.
Dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark, with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had
Ako team boy. Ay, nagpupulis.
team boy.
Yeah, team boy ako. Bakit ba?
Ako nakapin sa IC para pick up. Tama yung alam eh.
Mat, tulong kayo dun. Tita.
Sige.
Baby, ano tita? Baby.
Boy.
Baby.
Pero bakit girls? Bakit baby lang yan? Dapat na ko yung refill eh. Wala talaga na rin.
Baby. Go get your sleeper, ate. Tito George, ano po yan?
Dinagdagan.
Oo. Sarap yan.
Gawa ako ng dinagdagan.
Kunti yung bunga.
Ay, ito po kamatis.
Kamatis. Yung sili, may ano sa ilalim, may bunga.
Jalapeno.
Hindi ko alam kung yung pangalan niya. Hindi naman siya maano. Tapos yung bits ko dahil, malalaki. Ay, bigla ko kaya ko dahil namin ako sa ito.
Ay, ito oh, kalabasa daddy. Oh, tapos pag nagbulaklak, oh.
Ito na, sirpe ba yan? Pati ni Odo, maganda. Palas na? Hindi ibangan yan. Na may flower na yung pa ganun. Eh, yung etaas. Hindi, lata lang yan.
Oh, kamote. Kamote cute. Chicken. Ang daming chicken. Ay, ito pa, oh. Takoyaki.
Oo, itatago ko. Ay, iyak-iyak ko na yan.
Huwag kang ganyan, Marla.
ngayon, kahapon medyo malamig.
Malamig. Oo nga po.
Kala ko nga po, hindi naiinit eh.
Hindi nga pala ilagay yan sa tabi.
That was both of us was free.
Sakto. Sakto na.
Don't.
What is that for? Can I have the basketball?
For the reveal.
Sunny.
Nick!
Malakas ah.
Muntik na.
You always screaming like that.
Don't throw the ball.
Nabuk.
Ano ba yung pinagkakabisihan?
Moral support.
Support. Ginawa naman.
Pwede ka dito mo.
Rin, masarap din yun yung butito.
Uy, man na lang malalaki. Yan, masarap.
Yung friends ko yan. 6:30 my
Sige na mo, baby.
Anong flavor to, Yema?
Na-reveal na!
Bakit dito? Eh, inuhugutin?
Di ba malit na? Ayusin ko nga.
Uy, nasaan yung mga bata?
Ito, ito.
I wanna make it now. Well, you have to cook it and then you have to refrigerate it for like hours. Yeah, and you're gonna eat tomorrow. Single lens lang, naka 360.
I see!
What's that?
Ano ba yan? Teamboy kami. Leon! Nanalo tayo, boy! Nanalo tayo, boy! She knows she wanted to do the back. I don't want to do it.
Oh, you lose. See you.
Really, you lose.
Video na kasi.
Tapos balik na rin natin. Hawak. Hawakan niyo ba? Hawakan ko siya. Charot.
Ano yan? Next question mark?
Ito pa tayo? Ay! 1, 2. Dami na.
Ano bang gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? Rice? Chicken? Rice and chicken?
Ready?
Ha?
Yep. Yes, please.